Why does running your own business feeling harder than what it should? Are you also self-employed like me? And you see all the other people doing so well, and you cannot understand why are you always battling? Why are you always last when it comes to the big contracts? And you cannot understand why. You know for a fact that you are doing your utmost best every day. And you look around you and you see the other people with the other businesses. They're having new vehicles, they're well paid, and you keep on struggling. And you're lying awake at night and you wonder, you keep on wondering, what are you doing wrong? Or what is missing on your side? Have you ever felt like that?